Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of July 17th through the 23rd in my Catch-All Happy Planner using the Strawberry Shortcake kit by SimplySweetlyCrafty, along with some of her other items. She has some scripts, bubble people, and Caroline icons, and I'm going to be pulling a few of these from her collections to use to kind of add a little something to my spread. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me in today's video. Don't forget you can use my code MEGAN15 to save yourself 15% off of your order and get my freebie from SimplySweetlyCrafty. And she is currently celebrating her 8-year shop anniversary, and you can actually use the code 8years to get 45% off of her website at the current moment, but if you mention my name, you can still get my freebie. So enough with the little promo. Let's go ahead and open up into this week. Alrighty, so we have a few items. I didn't purchase her entire kit. I purchased the deco and then a few items from her a la carte. And I think I'm going to go ahead and start with the date covers. And we are going to just use these numbers because I think that would probably be the best thing. So let's go ahead and get these on here before we get started. And I think I'm going to use, definitely want Sweet Week to go on this side. So let's go ahead and get that on. And I'm trying to figure out, maybe we could cut. Yeah, I think that would probably be the best way to do it. So I'm going to cut the Strawberry Shortcake girl off of these edges. And I know that's a little crazy to do, but I think it might be the best option here. Because I can put this one, and I guess I could put it here. It wouldn't be a big deal. Okay, so I want something to go across the top up here, and I'm thinking that this would be a good thing to cover up the dates. Yeah. All right, and then let's go ahead and put the date covers on here. Alrighty. So let's put the weekend banner down. We're going to put that on Friday and Saturday because those are my off days. And we are going to use the This Week sticker for my chores list. And I need to get my sidebar done, so let's do that. I think we are going to use this sticker for the sidebar, just like in general. Okay, so I pulled the SimplySweetlyCrafty, I think these are called paint splats, because I wanted to have something for my sidebar for my work schedule, because if you guys know, I do like to track my work schedule in my plans, or in my catch-all. So I'm going to go with probably the green or the pink, because I pulled this just from a leftover sticker kit that I had, and I want to match this as well as I can. I think the green actually would work the best, and we will incorporate that pink one as well, but I think this would be the best for my work schedule. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to get the work and next week and Caroline icons. I'm going to put that here. And I want to get work next week. So I like this because I feel like it helps pull in other elements of her kit pretty well, without making it too, I don't know what the right word is, without like making it too weird. I feel like it doesn't necessarily go, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine once we add the other Carolines in here. And she does have on her functional sheet, she does have 5 work stickers, but I'm actually going to save these and use these in my work planner because I don't track my daily schedule on this planner. I usually just put the time frame that I'm working in each week so that I can know what my off days look like, because sometimes they're not the same. So let's go ahead, get some plans on here. I kind of feel like I want to just like put everything together first and then figure it out from there, because this is kind of bothering me because it's so off kilter. So I'm probably going to try and fix that, but let's go ahead and get some plans on here and then we'll work from there. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using the Strawberry Shortcake kit and deco from SimplySweetlyCrafty. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you want to save yourself some money, you can use either the 8-year code or my code to save yourself some money, and don't forget to mention my name in the notes section to get my freebie. If you're new here, don't forget to check out the description box. There are plenty of videos from planning to art prompt journal books to polymer clay. Lots of things to keep you interested so you can see how I've decorated other planners and other spreads, either through vertical or different layout. Don't forget to check out my new series of videos, Travel With Me. I do have a couple of days from my cruise. If you guys are interested in checking that out, I will leave that in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!